Okay, so I have something to tell you about what we have watched earlier in the class. It's about failure to communicate. Okay, so there's two ladies. Lady A, one wearing a hijab, and then Lady B, the deaf one. Okay, she started when she's looking on the map to find the place that she wants to go. And then there's Lady B doing something on the, I think it's the ATM machine, and she tried to ask something to Lady B. Lady A tried to ask something to Lady B, but Lady B seems not to understand or not to hear the Lady A. So she is acting to go away, and then Lady A tried to pull. I mean, Lady A did pull the hair of Lady B to seek her attention. When she got her attention, when she got Lady A attention of Lady B, Lady A said that if you don't want to help, at least say so. She said that Lady B. And then Lady B um, seems not to understand the Lady A because she can't understand what she's saying because she's wearing a hijab. And then, thankfully, Lady B has a gadget that can translate speech into text. And then, it can deliver the message to Lady A, what Lady B wants to say to Lady A. And then the translation that Lady B wants to say to Lady A is that she can't understand what Lady A is saying, not unless she read her lips. And then Lady A is shocked because she's wearing a hijab. Like, it's their, I think it's their culture or it's their tradition that they have to have that hijab all the time. And then Lady B offered the gadget to communicate with Lady A. So she tried to like try to talk to this one, and then like it will translate what you're gonna say to me. Lady A, I just wanted to tell you that Lady A is the sender of this communication, and then Lady B is the receiver of the communication.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, where are we now? Okay. When Lady A tried to deliver the text to the gadget to Lady B, from the gadget to Lady B, there's a noise in the background, which is the train. So when she tried to talk to the gadget, and the train passed by, and then after that, Lady A tried again to deliver the message to Lady B by using the gadget. But again, there's this noise or the barrier, which is the announcer. So the announcer announced something about the like all is well or whatsoever. And then after that, the gadget got low power, like low battery rather. And then Lady A think of something else, like she is trying to point the direction or the area that she wants to go, but it is high, but it's too high. And again, she think of something else, and then she tried to hand gesture, and then she made this kind of hand gesture to form a letter, And then the Lady V understand what she's trying to say and then form a letter V, and then letter V means Happy Valley. And then she showed a ticket going to Happy Valley by using this hand gesture, and then she offered to go with her, but unfortunately the train was leaving, and then the Lady V got disappointed because the announcer said that line 4 is gonna be delayed for 1 hour, and then they are waiting on the waiting shed. And then that's it. That's the end of the story. So there's a noise, there's a receiver, and then there's a sender, and then there's a message.